Hello students, today we are solving question number 2 of exercise 6.2. The question is, write the Pythagorean triplet whose one of the member is. The one of the member is given. So before finding the Pythagorean triplet, we should know what is Pythagorean triplet. So Pythagorean triplet are the set of three numbers. ये तीन नंबरों का एक सेट है जहाँ पे फर्स्ट number square and second number square is the square of third number. So directly we will move to the Pythagoras theorem. First we should know the Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem we have one right angle triangle and this is our base and this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So we know that in Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is a square and b square is equal to c square. So let's take a as 3 and b as 4 and c as 5. A square means 3 square plus 4 square must be 5 square as the theorem says. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Okay, so the sum of 9 and 16 is 25 and 5 square is also 25. It means this LHS is equal to RHS. So it means these three numbers 3, 4, 5, when they satisfy this equation means Pythagorean theorem. When they satisfy this Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square, then these set of three numbers are called Pythagorean triplet. So 3, 4, 5 is one of the example of Pythagorean triplet, and 5, 12 and 13 are also Pythagorean triplets. Just see the 5 square and 12 square must be the square of 13 square. Okay, 5 square, take LHS first. So 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. So when we are adding this, we are getting 169. Take RHS now. RHS is 13 square. So 13 square is also 169. Means the square of this and a square of this, when we are adding this, we are getting square of this 13. So 5, 12, 13 are also Pythagorean triplets. And now in question number 2 we have to find the members and one of the members are given. So means 3, 4, 5 are the members. Here 5, 12 and 13 are the members. So these are the members. So starting with question number 2, write Pythagorean triplet whose one member is given 6 and we don't know which member is this. We have one formula to find out the members of the Pythagorean triplet. Suppose the one member is 2m, then we can find out the another member by using m square minus 1, m square, third member m is m square plus 1. Now we don't know this 6 is either 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये जो 6 है ये वाला मेंबर है, 2m है, m square minus 1 है या m square plus 1 है. तो इसको किसी भी में मीन्स इसमें भी पुट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन पुट इन दिस मेंबर, वी कैन कंसिडर 6 as this member. Okay, we are supposing that this 6 is as the 2m. Let 2m is equal to 6. मीन्स हम ये मान लेते हैं जो ये 6 दिया हुआ है, बिकॉज वी हैव फॉर्मूला कि जो मेंबर्स होंगे वो फर्स्ट मेंबर होगा 2m, सेकेंड मेंबर होगा m स्क्वायर माइनस 1, थर्ड मेंबर होगा m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. अब जब 6 हमें पता है, ये नहीं पता कि ये वाला मेंबर है 2m है, m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 है या m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है. हम let 2m is equal to, we are considering this 6 as 2m. Okay, let 2m is equal to 6. So m will be 6 divided by 2. Either there is the sign of multiplication when it is going to that side, that will be in the division. So m is equal to 3. We are getting m is equal to 3, and this formula says that m should be greater than 1. So it is satisfying that m is greater than 1. m की वैल्यू 1 से बड़ी आनी चाहिए हमेशा, ठीक है. So m is equal to 3. Now we are putting this value of m in this. Now putting m is equal to 3 in m square minus 1. So m square minus 1 is equal to m is equal to 3. So 3 square minus 1, that will be 9 minus 1. So that will be 8. So the first member, this is the first member. This 6 is given. This is the first member, and the second member is m square minus 1. That is the second member. This is the second member. Now we are finding the third member. Third member is m square plus 1. This is the third member. Okay. Third member. Now we have to find out third member. So putting, what is the value of m? m is equal to 3. m की वैल्यू क्या आई थी हमारी? Putting m is equal to 3 in m square plus 1. So m square plus 1, that is 3 square plus 1, that is 3 square is 9 plus 1. So it is 10. So this is the 10 is the third member. This is the third member. Okay, this is the third member. So what are the member we find out? We have find out the two members. 6 is given. So we have find out second member as the 8 and the third member as the 10. So the triplets are 6, 8 and 10. These are the triplet. So B part of this is the one of the member is 14. One of the member is 14. Similarly, we will solve this question. What are the members? The members are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are the members. Let 2m is equal to, we don't know this 14 is, ये 14 2m है या m square minus 1 है या m square plus 1 है. हम मान लेते हैं कि this 14 is as 2m. This is the first member. Let 2m is equal to 14. So m will be 14 divided by 2. So m is equal to 7. m is equal to 7. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट मेंबर हो गया. अब हम सेकेंड मेंबर फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं m स्क्वायर माइनस 1. और इसके लिए हमें किसकी वैल्यू फर्स्ट चाहिए? वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ m. And what this rule says that the m should be greater than 1. Okay, so we are getting m is greater than m is greater than 1. Now putting m is equal to 7 in m square minus 1. अब m square minus 1 में m की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. ओके, सो m square minus 1 is equal to 7 square minus 1, that is 7 square is 49 minus 1, that is 48. That is 48. So this is the second member. This is the second member. Now third member. Now putting, what is the third member? Third member is m square plus 1. Now putting m is equal to 7 in m square plus 1. Okay, so m square plus 1 will be 7 square plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1, that is 50. So this is the third member. So what are the triplets? The triplets are the one member is 14, so triplets are 14, 48, second member is 14, 48, and the third member is 50. So these are the triplets, 14, 48 and 50. Similarly, you can solve the rest of the parts yourself. Okay, bye.